Hello guys, my name is Dilshad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like my video. This video is related to website. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Our topic is website. About website. A website, also written as website or simply site. It is a set of related web pages, typically saved from a single web domain. A web domain is hosted on at least one web server, accessible with a network such as internet or provide local area network through an internet address known as a uniform resource locator URL. All public accessible websites collectively constitute the World Wide Web. Web pages, which are building blocks of website, are documents typically written in plain text interpreted with formatting instruction of hypertext markup language HTML XHTML. They may incorporate elements from other websites with the suitable marks up to anchors. Web pages are accessible and transport with the Hyper Transfer Protocol (HTTP), which may optionally employ encryption (HTTP Secure HTTPS) to provide security and privacy for the user of the website content. The user applications often a web browser reader the page content according to its HTML markup instructions into a display terminal. Content. The page of a website can usually be accessed from a simple uniform resource locator, which means URL, called the web address. The URLs of the pages organize them into a hierarchy. All through hyperlink between them conveys the reader precise site structure and guide the reader navigation of the site, which generally include a home page with most of the links to the site's web content and a supplementary about content and like pages. Some websites require a subscription to access some or all of their content. For example, of subscription website include many business sites, part of news website, academic journals, website, gaming website, file sharing website, message boards, web-based emails, social networking website provide real-time stock market data, and website providing various other services. History of website. The World Wide Web was created in 1990 by British CERN physicist Tim Berners-Lee on 13 April 1993. CERN announced that the World Wide Web be free to use for everyone. Before the introduction of HTML and HTTP, other protocols such as File Transfer Protocol and the Gopher Protocol were used to retrieve individual files from a server. These protocols offer a simple directory structure which the user navigate and choose file to download. Documents were the most often presented as plain text files without formatting or were encoded in word processor formats. Overview on website. Website have many functions and can be used in many functions. A website can be a personal website, a commercial website, a government website, or a non-profit organization website. Website can be the work of an individual, a business, or any other website or any organization are typically dedicated to a particular topic or purpose. Any website can contain a hyperlink to any other website, so the distinction between individual sites are precised by the user and can be blurred. Websites are written or converted to HTML hypertext markup language and are accessed using a software interface classified as a user agent. Web pages can be viewed or otherwise accessed from a range of computer-based and internet-enabled devices of various sizes, including desktop computers, laptops, PDAs, and cell phones. Static websites. A static website is one that has web page stored on the server in the format that is sent to a client web browser. It is a primary coded in hypertext markup language HTML. Cascading style sheet CSS are used to control appearance beyond basic HTML. Images are commonly used to affect the desired appearance and a part of the main content. Audio or video might also be considered static content if it plays automatically or is generally non-interactive. This type of website usually displays the same information to all visitors, similarly to handing out a printed brochure to customer or client. A static website will generally provide consistent, standard information for an extended period of time. All through the website owner may take updates. Dynamic website. A dynamic website is one that changes or customizes itself frequently and automatically. Server-side dynamic pages are generated on the fly by computer code that produce the HTML. There are a wide range of software such as CGI, JavaScript and Java Service Page, Active Service Page, and Cool Fonts that are available to generate dynamic web system and dynamic sites. Various websites, frameworks, and web template systems are available for general use programming language like PHP, Python, and Ruby to make it faster and easier to create complex dynamic websites. A site can display the current state of a dialogue between user, monitor a changing situation, or provide information in some way personal to the requirement of the individual user. For example, when the front page of the news site is requested, the code run on the web server might combine stored HTML fragments with the news stored retrieved from a database or any website with RSS to produce page they include the latest information. Dynamic sites can be interactive by using HTML forms, storing and reading book browser cookies, or by creating a service of series of pages that reflect the previous history of clicks. Another example of dynamic content is when a retail website with a database of media products allow a user to input a search request for the keyword details. In response, the content of website will spontaneously change the way it's looked before and will then display a list of details products like CDs, DVDs, and books. Dynamic HTML uses JavaScript code to instruct the web browser how to interactively modify the page content.